Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get these badges on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to view full profile. I don't have all of the badges yet, but I have 2 out of 4. If I scroll down here, I have the takeover 1 and the takeover 2. I'll need 2 more. So basically you're just going to open up Dress to Impress here and play it, obviously. Loading shouldn't take too long. Okay, then you'll need to open the takeover challenge here. So there are 4 challenges. If you want all of the badges, you'll need to finish everything. If you just want the cargo pants, you can just do both of these challenges, but you'll need to also do the master one, place on the podium twice in a row, extreme, place on the podium but start your outfit when there's only 30 seconds left on the timer, or by only using clothing no one else is wearing, which is kind of insane. So hopefully I'm able to get those badges, but yeah, that's pretty much it really. Just press play and then do the challenge. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.